Hey, what's up? I'm Katie.
And I'm Brandon.
And we're the Slater Naids Travel Brigade. We just spent a few days traveling from Texas through the Grand Canyon and on to Joshua Tree and then back into the Bay Area of California. This trip almost didn't happen because we were stuck in Texas for a few days with an issue with our manifold, and we were in a hotel while the Chateau was in the shop. But thankfully, everything's all good and we are back on the road. The Grand Canyon, I cannot say enough about it. It was absolutely beautiful. So stunning. Pictures do not do it justice. You should just go see it for yourself. What was your favorite part, B?
My favorite part was getting the chance to fly in a helicopter over the Grand Canyon. Thanks to my brother and sister-in-law. They gifted us that as a present for our birthdays, and we can't thank them enough. It was amazing. It was the best way to see it, and we just had the most incredible time. So besides that, hiking into the Grand Canyon was so amazing, incredible. We just recommend, like, pictures don't do it justice, and it definitely is a place that you have to see in person. So we're glad we made it there, made our reservations on time, even though it was a close call. And yeah, we'll be back in the San Francisco Bay Area to celebrate Katie and her niece's first birthday, and then we'll be back on the road heading from the San Francisco Bay Area all the way to Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, where my family is, and we're going to meet up with them. So it's going to be a nice 6-week journey across country, and we can't wait for it. So enjoy our video of the Grand Canyon and stay tuned for some amazing travels.